happy weekend. I hope everyone is doing well and that you had a good week. Ben and I are on our way to Les Premiers Vendredis du mois, which is basically like a food truck party. Today it's a barbecue theme, so specialty of barbecue for the food trucks that are gonna be there. Ben and I love barbecue, so we're super excited. So we're gonna be outside all day and it's a bit cold, so dressed warm. And hopefully we're gonna find some good food, have a great time. So yeah, it should be a very good night and a great way to kick off the weekend. Let's go. Try the mac and cheese. Creamy and warm and cheesy. Ben and I are on our way to the Alouettes game, which is the Canadian Football League. So we don't have the NFL here in Montreal, but we do have the CFL. It's going to be a first time for both of us to go see the Alouettes play. It's a nice day. It's a bit cold, so we made sure to dress warm, and hopefully we're going to have a good time. So we are on our way there now, so we're going to catch up with you later. So a lot of time has passed since the last clip. We are now the following weekend, Saturday morning. I'm not talking too loud because Ben is still sleeping. It's still quite early. It's about like 8:15, and I got dressed and all done for the day because I'm actually going for breakfast with some friends, and I think this afternoon I'm in the little shopping mood. So I'm hoping to maybe hit a few thrift stores and yeah, just do some shopping around. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So we're gonna catch up this weekend. I'm gonna go for brunch now and I'll talk to you later. Hello again. I am now back home, as you can see, and just doing some laundry, which explains the lack of sheets on the bed behind me. But I was just watching the footage from the past few days, and I realized that I keep saying we'll chat later, and we never chat. So let's take a moment here now and let's have a quick chat. First of all, I want to show you what I got on my little shopping spree. So it didn't go crazy. First, I got this beautiful trinket dish at the bazaar. I passed by on the plateau, so it's like a Walt Disney World trinket dish. I like to think this is quite old. This is the font from many years ago, from I think when the park had just opened. So hopefully this is original vintage, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, super cute. I can't not buy Disney things when I go to a vintage type of event because I love Disney so much, but I do need to calm down a little bit and I can't buy everything. There was loads of Disney stuff there, but I settled on this beautiful trinket dish, and now I can just put my rings or other little accessories in it. And then I got this beautiful jacket at La Caravane Vintage. La Caravane Vintage, I've only discovered it in the last month, and I'm very sad I hadn't known this existed before because I love everything there. I would buy a lot more, but then again, I need to calm down, not spend all of my money. But I did get this fall jacket, so I've been looking for a jacket for fall or spring something, because I have a sporty one, but sometimes I don't want to be sporty. I just want to have a different style, so love this. And it's an LL Bean brand, and I don't know, it just felt very, very Martha Stewart. There's something about it that's giving me as well Parent Trap vibes for some reason. And then the sleeves are a bit long, but I can cuff them, and the inside is a pretty pattern. So very pleased with this pretty jacket. And now for the talking bit. So hello, how's it going? I do want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and if you aren't new to my channel, thank you for watching some of my other videos. It really means so much to me. I can see the comments you guys are leaving on my videos, and I see the subscribers that are coming as well. So I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I've now been doing YouTube videos for over a year, and it really is so fun for me to just film bits of my life and share it with you, so I am so glad to see that you are enjoying it as well. And please don't hesitate to let me know what you like or what you don't like in some of my videos in the comment section down below. You can also find me on Instagram and feel free to DM me. Send me any comments or questions. I really am looking forward to kind of building a little community, little group of friends that all enjoy weekend activities. I also have some really fun content coming in for the new year, so if you are new here to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, now is your time to subscribe so you make sure you don't miss any of the upcoming videos, and I'm really looking forward to sharing more fun weekend adventures with you. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!